a little something that we often take for granted when we are creating our applications, and that is our flash message. When things are working good and we are redirecting, you really don't see any problems. But the problem comes into play when we go to edit a record, which on the name attribute, I do have a validation of uniqueness, so if we try to update this, we don't see anything happening. But if we were to look at the logs, you'll see that there is a rollback transaction, but we didn't really get any kind of information that there was a problem on that page. And so in this episode, we're going to be looking at flash messages. So when we do go to edit a record and then we update it, we would get some kind of message that the name has already been taken. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift and Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftandruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.